Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to learn different mesh methods and how to change element size. For that, we are going to solve this plate with hole problem. So let's start. First, open Ansys workbench. Select Analysis System. Then double click on Static Structural. As per the problem statement, material of the plate is structural steel, which is already assigned. Then right click on Geometry and select New Design Modeler Geometry. It will take some time. Now our Design Modeler window is open. Units are available in millimeter. So we have to change the units. For that, go to Units and select millimeter. Then right click on XY plane and select Look at. Then go to Sketching and select Rectangle. Then go to Dimension and select General Dimension. Give horizontal and vertical dimension. As per the problem statement, dimension of the rectangle are 1000 by 1000 mm. For fit to screen option, click on this icon. Now our rectangle is ready, but it is not coinciding with the XY plane axis. We have to coincide the rectangle with XY plane axis. For that, select General Dimension, then select this vertical axis, then select this vertical edge and define the distance as 500 mm. Then select this horizontal axis and this horizontal edge and define distance as 500 mm. Again, for fit to screen option, click on this icon. Then in sketching, under draw option, select circle. Then go to dimension and select general dimension. Diameter of the circle is 100 mm. Enter. Then go to concept and select surface from sketches. Select your sketch 1, apply and generate. Now our geometry is ready. Again go to workbench and double click on model. It will take some time. Now our mechanical window is open. As per the problem statement, thickness of the plate is 10 mm. For that, go to Geometry, click on Surface Body and give thickness as 10 mm. As per the problem statement, one side of the plate is fixed and at the other side of the plate, force is acting in a positive direction. For that, right click on Static Structural, go to Insert and select Fix Support. Click on this icon and select your first edge, apply. Then again right click on Static Structural, go to Insert and select Force. Click on this icon and select other edge, apply, define by component. As I discussed earlier that we are going to learn different mesh methods. So let's start with method 1. In that method is quadrilateral dominant, element order is linear, mesh type is chord/tria and element size is 100. For that, right click on mesh, go to insert and select method option. Select your geometry, apply. In method, select quadrilateral dominant, element order is linear and mesh type is chord tria and element size is 100. For that, again right click on mesh, go to insert and select sizing option. Again select your geometry, apply and element size is 100 mm, enter. Then right click on solution, go to insert, select total deformation. Again right click on solution, go to insert, in stress option, select equivalent one masses stresses. Then go to home and click on solve option. Value of equivalent one masses stress is 1.3119 megapascal. 1.3119 megapascal. Then go to mesh, click on the statistic option. We will get the values of number of nodes and number of elements for 100 mm element size. Number of nodes are 127 and elements are 106. Now method is same, only element size will be changed. For that, click on body sizing and give element size as 50 mm. Then again go to home and click on this solve option. Value of equivalent stress is 1.5615 megapascal. Then go to mesh. Number of nodes are 442 and number of elements are 400. 442 and 400. Again the method is same, only element size will be changed. Again go to body sizing and give element size as 10 mm. Then go to home and click on this solve option. Value of equivalent one masses stress is 2.9833 megapascal. 2.9833 megapascal. Go to mesh. Number of nodes are 10155 and number of elements are 9945. 10155 9945. Now we will see second method. Method is quadrilateral dominant. Element order is quadratic. Mesh type is chord tria and element size is 100. Click on automatics method. Method is quadrilateral dominant. Element order is quadratic and mesh type is chord tria. Then click on body sizing. Element size is 100 mm. Enter. Then click on solve option. Value of equivalent stress is 2.8006 megapascal. 2.8006 megapascal. Then click on mesh. Number of nodes are 338 and elements are 98. Now the method is same, only element size will be changed. For that, click on body sizing and give element size as 50 mm. Then again click on solve. For 50 mm element size, value of equivalent stress is 1.8466 megapascal. 1.8466 megapascal, and number of nodes are 1280 and elements are 398. 1280 and elements are 398. Now again the method is same, only element size will be changed. Again click on body sizing and give element size as 10 mm. Then click on solve. Value of equivalent stress is 3.0734 megapascal. 3.0734 megapascal. Then go to mesh. Number of nodes are 30255 and elements are 9945. 30255 and 9945. Links are available in description. Please like and subscribe.